Introduction. The story Lightning Strike is about a brave girl named Aliza who works in a match factory. The workers are poor, badly treated, and suffering from dangerous diseases. Aliza becomes angry about the unfair conditions and speaks at a protest rally in Hyde Park, London. At first she is nervous, but then she gives a powerful speech about poverty, hunger, unfair treatment, and the suffering of match girls. She tells the crowd that workers deserve fairness and respect. Her speech inspires many people and gives courage to the workers to stay united. Summary. The story Lightning Strike is written by Tanya Landman. It is about courage, protest, workers' rights, and standing up against injustice. The main character is a girl named Aliza who works in a match factory with her sister and many other girls. The workers are poor and work very long hours, but they still do not earn enough money to live properly. The factory conditions are harsh, dangerous, and unhealthy. Many workers become sick because of poisonous chemicals used in making matches. Aliza is very angry because nobody seems to care about the suffering of the workers. She becomes brave enough to speak against the unfair treatment. During a protest rally in Hyde Park, London, other girls encourage Aliza to speak to the crowd. At first she is shocked and nervous because she does not know what to say. She sees many different people in the crowd, including poor workers, neighbors, friends, and rich upper-class people called toffs. Some rich people look down on her and think she is dirty and unimportant. Even though Aliza feels frightened, she remembers that she is speaking for all the poor workers who suffer every day. She starts her speech by thanking Mrs. Billingham, who supports the workers. However, Aliza explains that Mrs. Billingham cannot fully understand their suffering because she lives comfortably while the match girls live with hunger, cold, and poverty. Aliza then explains that the workers are protesting because they have had enough of unfair treatment. She says they are tired of cruel bosses, low wages, and dangerous conditions in the factory. Many girls are suffering from Foci, a terrible disease caused by poisonous phosphorus chemicals. Workers are afraid every day that they might become sick too. Aliza notices that some rich people in the crowd think she should stay quiet because she is poor. But she bravely answers them and says that match girls are just as important as rich people. She says they have hearts, minds, and souls too. She promises that the workers will continue fighting until everyone hears them and they are treated fairly. At the end of the speech, Aliza explains that one person alone cannot do much, but when many people unite together, they become powerful like a great river. She says that united workers cannot be stopped. The crowd loudly cheers for her speech, showing that many people support the workers' cause. The story teaches important lessons about courage, unity, equality, protest, and standing up for justice. Questions and short answers. A1. What sort of people attended the rally? Poor workers, neighbors, friends, and rich upper-class people attended the rally. A2. What differences were there between Aliza's life and Mrs. Billingham's? Mrs. Billingham lived comfortably with food and a warm bed, while Aliza lived in poverty, hunger, and hard conditions. A3. What clues show that mainly girls and women worked in the factories? The story uses words like match girls, mothers, sisters, and girls followed. B1. Explain what cut from the very same cloth means. It means two people are very similar in behavior or attitude. B2. Find some examples of non-standard English in the extract. Examples. A&T. Don't. Lot. Hell. C1. What inspired Aliza to protest against factory conditions? The unfair treatment, poverty, sickness, and suffering of workers inspired Aliza to protest. C2. How do you think Aliza's life would be different today? Today Aliza would likely have better working conditions, workers' rights, safety laws, and education opportunities. Grammar, language exercises, solutions. Homograph. Meaning of homograph. A homograph is a word with the same spelling but different meanings and sometimes different pronunciation. Example 1. Minute, barabar unit of time. Sentence, Temur submitted his report a minute later. Example 2. Minute, barabar very small. Sentence, Zara made minute changes in her portfolio. Examples of non-standard English in this story. A&T. Don't. Lot. Hell. Who the hell I think I am? These words make the speech sound natural and emotional. Why do people need courage to stand up for what is right? People need courage because they may fear punishment, criticism, failure, powerful people, or being treated badly. Important MCQs with answers. Who is the me character in this story? Mary. Nell. Aliza. Sally. Answer, Aliza. What is the name of the story? Brave Girls. Lightning Strike. Match Factory. Hyde Park. Answer, Lightning Strike. Who wrote Lightning Strike? Charles Dickens. Tanya Landman. Edgar Albert Guest. John Keats. Answer, Tanya Landman. Where did Aliza work? Hospital. School. Match Factory. Shop. Answer, Match Factory. Why was Aliza angry? She lost money. Factory conditions were harsh. She failed school. She was lonely. Answer, factory conditions were harsh. Where was the protest rally held? London Bridge. Hyde Park. Factory yard. School ground. Answer, Hyde Park. Who encouraged Aliza to speak? Mrs. Billingham. Mary and Sally. The police. Her father. Answer, Mary and Sally. How did Aliza feel at first on the platform? Confident. Nervous and unsure. Angry only. Happy. Answer, nervous and unsure. What kind of people were called toffs? Poor workers. Rich upper class people. Teachers. Soldiers. Answer, rich upper class people. What did some rich people think about Aliza? She was brave. She was talented. She was common and vulgar. She was funny. Answer, she was common and vulgar. Who supported Aliza in the crowd? Neighbors and friends. Police officers. Factory owners. Doctors. Answer, neighbors and friends. What did Aliza thank Mrs. Billingham for? Giving money. Wanting to help workers. Building a factory. Writing a book. Answer, wanting to help workers. What problem did Aliza describe? Hunger and poverty. School exams. Floods. Sports injuries. Answer, hunger and poverty. What disease affected the workers? Fever. Malaria. Fossi-Joe. Flu. Answer, Fossi-Joe. What caused Fossi-Joe? Dirty water. Poisonous phosphorus. Fire burns. Smoke. Answer, poisonous phosphorus. What happened to workers' wages? They increased daily. They were docked unfairly. They doubled. They were donated. Answer, they were docked unfairly. What were workers afraid of? Rain. Darkness. Becoming sick. Traveling. Answer, becoming sick. What did Aliza say match girls also had? Wealth. Hearts, minds, and souls. Big houses. Education. Answer, hearts, minds, and souls. What did the workers demand? More holidays. Fair treatment. Bigger factories. Free food only. Answer, fair treatment. What did Aliza compare people united together to? A mountain. A river. A tree. A storm. Answer, a river. Which river was mentioned? Nile. Thames. Amazon. Indus. Answer, Thames. What happens when people unite? They become unstoppable. They become silent. They become rich. They become weak. Answer, they become unstoppable. How did the crowd react to Aliza's speech? They ignored her. They laughed. They cheered loudly. They left quietly. Answer, they cheered loudly. Who left angrily at the end? Nell. Mary. The Toff. Mrs. Billingham. Answer, the Toff. Cut from the same cloth, means wearing same clothes. Very similar people. Poor workers. Factory owners. Answer, very similar people. Egging me on, means ignoring me, encouraging me, fighting me, laughing at me. Answer, encouraging me. Achan, means rich child, poor dirty child, clever student, teacher. Answer, poor dirty child. The story mainly teaches about sports, courage and workers' rights, magic, travel. Answer, courage and workers' rights. Aliza believed workers should stay silent, accept suffering, stand up for themselves, leave the city. Answer, stand up for themselves. Main theme of the story is fear and loneliness, unity and justice, adventure and travel, family life. Answer, unity and justice.